Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will automatically detect the background inside the image and it will try to blur it, same like Instagram or Snapchat. So filter. So we will take a very simple image example. So we have a simple image with a background. So what I need to do, we need to blur this background that is there inside this image. So it will automatically detect this image, analyze this image. So this background that you see right here. So we have these three images, three different images. So I will show you how I run this Python script. So first of all, I will take this example image 1.jpg. So I will just provide this as an input file and then I will simply run this Python script. And now as I run this Python script, it will detect the background and it will try to blur this background and then it will create a new file. So you will see a new file has been created with a blurred background. So now if I show you, you will see this will be the effect which will get created. So we have seen these images posted on social media such as uh, the images with a blurred background. So now you can see it has automatically detected this background inside the image and it has blurred this background. And let me apply this to the same image, this one, which is, and again execute this. So this is a cool little effect. You can apply this on your images so that it blurs your background. So essentially this is actually a Python script. You can see that again it blurs the background. You can't see your background right here. So it's a very good useful feature because in either of the cases, if you don't want the background to be seen, you can blur the background inside the image. So this Python script makes this possible. And then we take this image example, which is the profile JPG. Let me run the script here, and you can run this script unlimited number of times. So it is there on side your local machine. So now if I show you, you can change the intensity of the blur as well inside this Python script. You can see the background is blurred. So here you can increase this value. It is 75. You can increase it to 125 as well. Totally depends upon you. So if you increase this value, the Gaussian blur will increase. So again, if I run this, so basically it analyzes the image and then it blurs the background. You can see now it increases the blur right here. So now let me show you the libraries that we are using for this. So we are first of all using the OpenCV package. So you just need to install this package here, which is OpenCV dash Python. So this is the first package that you need to install. Pip install OpenCV Python. I've already installed this package. After that, you also need to install this package, which is MediaPipe, which is a AI package which apply these algorithms of AI. Just install this package as well. And there is another package which we are using, which is NumPy, which is again a very useful package. So install this package as well. So after installing these three packages, just make a simple app.py file. And now let me show you step by step. So first of all, we import the OpenCV package. Then we import the MediaPipe package. Then we import the NumPy package. After that, we simply initialize the actual library, which is MediaPipe. It contains this function solutions.selfie segmentation. So we are simply initializing this. The full script is given in the description of the video, guys. And then we again use this. It contains this function which is selfie segmentation. and here we select the model that needs to be applied. So it is actually doing artificial intelligence. So here we are simply applying this model to actually analyze the image and then blur the background. So we are actually making use of artificial intelligence here, AI, and then we load the image. For loading the image, we are using OpenCV. So it contains this function image read, and here we specify the image that needs to be used. We are providing the path here. Then we actually converting this to RGB color. First of all, so we call this function color underscore BGR to RGB. So we convert this. After that, we process this image. So segment dot process RGB, and then we create a binary mask on the image. So results dot segmentation underscore mask, and here we put this condition that if this is greater than 0.5, this is just computing going on, and then we apply the blur. So to apply the blur, we have this function inside OpenCV, which is this Gaussian blur function, so which will blur this image, blur the background, and here we specify the image and then we specify the amount of blur. So here you can provide this value here 75 by 75 comma 0. So this will blur the image, and now we need to actually blur the background. For blurring the background, we are using numpy. We are applying this condition, so this will only blur the background, not the entire image. And then we need to simply save this image. For saving this image, we are using image write, and then we say result.jpg, which will be created an output image. And then we can simply write the line that image saved with Instagram style blurred background. So this is a very easy script. It's a little bit complicated because something computation is going on. We are using these three libraries, OpenCV, MediaPipe, and NumPy, in conjunction to apply this effect. So let me delete this. Again, run the script, Python app.py. As soon as I run the script, you will see the script will run, and then it will create this result.jpg. So you will see the background will be blurred. This is the original image with the background visible, and this is actually the image where the background has been blurred. So this is actually the script, guys. If you need the script, the link is given in the description, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.